Hey everybody, I'm Amy, this is Cody, and today I'm going to show you how to make a wreath a little bit differently. Normally you'll see a nice round wreath. Well, I'm going to show you how to make one today with a little bit more impact, and maybe even save some money. I headed to the thrift store and I got, for just a couple dollars, a nice medium-sized rectangular frame. Frames can be less expensive than the cost of those grapevine wreaths. I think it's really going to make an impact on your front door as you welcome your guests into your home. Alright, let's get started. So what you'll need for this project are some kind of pliers or wire cutters. Some pliers have the wire cutters built in, but in any case you're going to need those. A hot glue gun and extra glue sticks, and right now ball picks are really discounted at most craft stores. So another thing that I found there, I'm going to add, I like to put birds on things. And the Dollar Tree has die-cut metal words. These ones say thankful, harvest, and welcome. Ribbon, and it is wired as well. And I'm just gonna take this glass piece out, then I'll be ready to start on my wreath. There we go. I think I'm gonna take a minute to just pull out these things because some of these are really dark. So I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun and put some contrasting ribbon around it. That'll make them pop a little bit more. And we'll just repeat that all the way around. So I've spent the last several minutes deconstructing these picks into just an assortment of things that I think mesh well together. And I'm going to start gluing them on. The main idea is a big clump here and then some up here to balance it, and then the word that my friend requested, which was like a harvest theme, so I selected the word thankful. Alright, buddy, you gotta go down again. I think I'm gonna start up here and put this little bird up here. I'm going to do the tall things in the background so that I make sure I place them where I want them. Where it's at now, and I'm going to just keep building on it so it's really lush. And I like the accents of purple. She likes purple too. Well, this is what I've got so far, and I really like it, so I'm going to keep going. can see the lighting's changing. It's the end of the day. I had some issues with my phone and I wasn't able to keep filming earlier, so I just picked up my kids and supper's in the oven, the kids are playing outside, and I'm gonna finish now with my project all aglow. I think that's gonna hold. And there's my finished harvest wreath. Please do me a huge favor and share this with anybody you know who loves fall and loves floral decor, and I would be really, really thankful. And I just like to use these 2+ pound command hooks to put it on my front door, but I think you can see it a little bit here. So now the directions for the command hooks do say to wait a whole hour before use, so keep that in mind. One part of the process that I do not show you in the video is that I took a loop of ribbon and a furniture tack and just stuck it in the back of this and hot glued it just to make sure it was secure, and that's what I'm hanging it with now. Well, let me know in the comments below what you thought of this frame wreath idea, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to know when the next video is up. I hope you have a great fall, and I'll talk to you next time.